first order of the day. We've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $6, going less than 2 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you. You too. We are also doing earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going just under 3 miles. That's supposed to be open.
What's the code line?
580. Thank you.
Thank you.
No tip on that one. Total was $4 and change. And we got the next one right away. This is going across the river, 7 miles. It is still early though, so I don't have to worry about traffic just yet. So I might be able to complete this pretty quickly.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you. I love a good maze. That's a no tipperino. Total for that was $6. Just got the next order. This one is high mileage, but it's also bringing me back into my zone, so I guess that's okay. This is Donut Nook, $10, going 8 miles. For Lou?
Yep.
Perfect, thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is taking me right across the river again. Just barely this time, I think. But it's gonna be a Starbucks, $12, going about 5 miles.
Thank you. How are you doing? Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Jill?
Yes.
You're all set, both those. Thank you.
Thank you. It says meet between softball and scooter fields. I don't know what that means, but okay. Nice. Is there a big game going on today, or?
All day.
Yeah.
Today, all day.
Oh, gotcha.
All day.
It's that time of year.
The coffee line.
Yep, you have a good day. I'm seeing softball players, lacrosse, I think soccer. I guess we're making a quick pit stop before going back to my zone. They're keeping me over here with a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10, going 4 miles, only one item. That is hilarious. The one that I need. 6-pack.
We don't sell alcohol till 8 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah.
Even if it's for Uber?
Hot, yeah. I'm messing with you. Let me leave you alone.
Oh my goodness. You don't know how far I drove for this one? Breaking my heart.
You need a bag?
Please, yeah. You got me so bad. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $9, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11, going 5 miles, 5 items. Next order up, we've got a habaneros. This one is going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $8, and we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 4 miles.
Does that feel great?
Apparently this is only 2 hash browns, so there's no tip on this, guaranteed. There actually was a tip on that. What? I am very surprised. Total for that was $7. I think I'm gonna start heading home now. Current time is 9:29. Current total, we are at 82. And I think we're still waiting on one Uber tip. I don't remember which one it was, so I'll throw up the total whenever it comes in. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.